Hello YouTubers, I have got a comment from Bassem al-Quraishi requesting DNA translation to proteins, hence this video is about that process. To start with, we need to understand the genetic code table. For instance, ATG in DNA sequence codes for methionine. Similarly, TAA, TGA and TAG code for termination or stop codon. So there are 64 codons in the codon family, coding for 20 amino acids. To minimize the variables, we would need to use a variable and certain OR operators so that we minimize the number of variables that we need. We also need a for loop containing several if statements, and inside the if statements we need to have OR operators. For instance, in your if statement you write down if I equals to TAA or I equals TGA or I equals TAG, print end, and the end of the string is equal to an empty string. So the same goes for the other synonymous codons in the codon family. Now we have finished writing the code. As you can see the code here, we supply data and see how it works. So you need a variable that asks user input. If you don't know this or you're not familiar with this thing, please refer to my previous video on this issue. Then we need to transform this variable to another variable that sets the DNA sequence into codons. Also, if you don't know this thing or you're not familiar with this thing, please refer to my previous videos to learn how to do that. Now, let's test our variable and the code that we wrote. When you press enter, it gives you this output. That is our translated DNA sequence. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.